Need to fix the script object module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the professional restoration of this core file. Before we begin our script object module walkthrough, you can try the suggested utility to help clear environment conflicts and save time. This is the script object module, the Microsoft Script Component Runtime library responsible for executing Windows script components and COM-based scripting modules. It integrates with tools like regsvr32 to register scriptlets. Corruption can disrupt administrative tooling and certain legacy installers that depend on scriptlet execution. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. When a core file like script object module DLL is missing, it's best to let Windows perform a self-repair. Access an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan now to synchronize and restore any damaged or missing system-level files. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the script object module file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and re-establishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. A quick professional note on security: sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. From a cybersecurity perspective, I must warn you never to download files like script object module DLL from unofficial repositories, as these are often bundled with malware that can compromise your system's data integrity. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. The repair utility linked in the description provides structured information on managing script object module and system health. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve script object module dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.